Hey guys, it's Shrest and welcome to your 31st Java tutorial. So today we are going to talk about a special kind of for loop or uh, enhanced for loop, which is specially made by Java for doing what we have been doing manually since last few tutorials. Uh, I think I should show you, it will be more clear that way. So let's first of all make our main method here. So public static and void main parenthesis string args, and I don't know why I'm not able to type. So and its body. So first of all we need an initialized array. So let's use an integer, let's name it array, and let's give, okay, let's use different one now. Okay, so now let's give it some values: 23, 45, 6, 3, 4, 2. Yep, good. So now we blah blah blah. So now we need a counter variable here, or you can say not counter. We need a variable which will store the sum of all these elements. So let's name it total, and now what we are going to use is something called enhanced for loop, which is a special kind of for loop made especially for Java. I don't know the correct word, but it is a special kind of for loop which is a feature of Java. Yeah, that sounds good. So similarly, that how we made our for loop for, but now in place of making our counter variable here, we are going to give a data type and a name to the variable, and then we are going to use colons, not semicolon here, and the name of the array which we want to loop around. So first let me tell you about this. So till now we have made an counter variable, then give it some conditions using array name dot length, and then added uh, okay, then we gave the index and stuff, and then stored the value of it in an element. So there's a special kind of loop called enhanced for loop in Java, which is specially made for such purposes. So it basically needs only a data type for the variable and a variable using which it is going to loop through each element of our array, which we have given the name here. So if we have multiple arrays, we can give name of whichever array we want to loop through. So in the next line now we are going to store the value. So using our total here, total plus equals our initialized x or identifier x, whatever you use, and now we are going to print whatever value we are getting. So system out print line parenthesis total of whatever array is, and our total variable here. So let's see what's the output here, and we have some errors. What are the errors though? Total. Okay, so the variable is not initialized. And let's see now. Hmm, not working. Hmm. So let's see now. So as you can see, we are getting the total of 632. So again, let me walk you through the whole program here. So we have given a data type and an identifier, or what we usually call as a name here, and then the name of array through which we want to loop through. So this special or enhanced for loop is what it is going to do is our identifier here is going to scan each and every element of our array here. So it will scan 23, then jump to 45, then 6, then 3, then 2. And using this identifier, we are storing that value and adding it up in our total. And then we are printing it. So that's it for the enhanced for loop. And again, this is a special kind of loop which in Java, using which we can scan each and every element of our array and do whatever we want to do using with them. So that's all for now. See you guys in the next tutorial, and hope to see you next time.